Hi, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe tab so that you won't miss any work at home companies that are hiring. Also get access to tips as well as help for your resume and information on work at home scams and other ways you can make money from home without having to work a work at home job necessarily. Also, feel free to go over to our Facebook group, Workers on Board Community. There are a lot of members there to support you and assist you as you navigate your way to getting a legitimate work at home job. A lot of the members there to post additional work at home jobs that I'm not able to mention to you all as I make the video because they may come after. So make sure you join that community so you'll stay up to date with everything that's going on online, who's getting hired, who has an interview coming up, so that you can be aware of some scams, see payment proofs to confirm a company is legit, and all kinds of helpful information. So would you like to make $18.50 an hour to answer questions from home? If so, there is a legitimate company that will pay you to do this, and I'll give you all the details. Before I get into that, I do want to let you know that daily transcription, they are looking for captioners, subtitlers, and transcribers to work from home. I posted this on the weekly job section, so feel free to go there and check out that particular job lead. It'll be listed. Actually, I posted it yesterday, so you can check it out and apply online if you're interested. I believe they're hiring immediately, so if you're looking for a work at home job that you can start really fast, I would definitely apply to this company. Also, there is a company called Sync SYNQ3 that is looking for order specialists to work from home. Now, this job is going to entail that you will take inbound calls for restaurants, well-known popular chains like Chipotle and things like that, and you're going to accurately enter information. Because of this kind of job, you are going to be required to work weekends and holidays. So if you're available during that time, I recommend that you apply, especially if you're friendly and polite. They pay $9.50 an hour, and they have benefits and cash incentives up to $1,000 a month. This is on top of your hourly pay. Not only that, but they will also provide you with a computer and a phone. These are great perks. So if you don't have a computer and you want to work from home, or you don't want to go out and get a phone, then definitely make sure you apply to this company. It is listed on the Friday freebie page, so I'll leave a link to that. If you all leave me a comment and say you want the link directly to the company, I will do that. But otherwise, just go ahead and go to the Friday freebie page because it'll be at the top of the page posted in today's Friday work at home job leads. In addition to that, there is a work at home job that I mentioned earlier from Magoosh. Now they're hiring support specialists to work from home. This is a company that is looking for people to work from home long term, so at least a year or more. So if you want a stable work at home job, or if you're looking to stay with the company for long term, then I would definitely recommend that you apply to this company. Now you're going to help students with technical issues and answer questions about Magoosh as well as other related duties. You will need good writing skills. They're looking for people who are passionate about education and that can commit to working at least 15 up to 20 hours a week. They will pay you $18.50 an hour, and the great thing about it is that you can work and choose your own schedule as long as you meet that hourly weekly requirement. You can work from anywhere in the United States. So if this is something that you think you would like to do from home, make sure you apply as soon as possible. Today, if at all possible, apply to this company. Speaking in regards to teaching or helping students from home. Q Kids is a company that needs teachers or tutors to help Chinese students learn English. Now here you can make $8 in 30 minutes. Now if you work an hour, it's $16. So that would be $16 an hour. The sessions or lessons are 30 minutes each, and you'll have a number of students for each session. Not only that, but you'll get an additional dollar on top of that $8 if you do a 30-minute session for the quality of the class, and then another dollar on top of that for attendance. So, so actually that comes to a $2 bonus. So if you want to teach, or if you wouldn't mind helping young students learn English from home, make sure you apply to Q Kids. VIP Kids is also another company that will pay you to do this. I believe they need people. It's in the US and Canada, but it could be open to other countries. I just think that these are the two for sure, but you can definitely check it out and make sure that you check it out and see if they are available in your country, and go ahead and apply online. The links will be right below this video. Also, wanted to tell you all about something really quickly. If you buy or bought anything from Overstock.com, did you know that you can make money for writing a review on the things that you purchased? Well, if you didn't know about it, I'm here to tell you that you can earn rewards from Overstock.com. So here you can earn rewards and money for writing reviews. Now the reviews need to be at least 140 characters to qualify for rewards, and you can earn up to $40 in rewards per review. The reviews have to be approved by Overstock, and it's going to take them 1 to 2 business days. Now, I'm not saying to go and buy something at Overstock, but if you're in the market of buying something at Overstock.com, go ahead and check out this feature and go ahead and write a review for them, because that way you'll get extra money just for, you know, purchasing a product and sharing what you thought about that particular item that you bought from Overstock. So it's a way for you to earn a little bit of extra money for your feedback. Feature Points is an app that you all can download for free on Google Play or the App Store, or you can just simply go to their official website online and sign up. Now, I've been with this company for, well, I think probably about 4 years, and it's legitimate. And initially they used to pay you, they would reward you points to download free apps, but you had to keep it installed for at least 2 minutes. After that, you can uninstall it, but that is the way that it worked initially. Now they've opened it up to where you can get paid or get points that you can redeem for PayPal cash or free gift cards or Bitcoin to take surveys. Also, if you shop online, and other kinds of simple tasks that you can do from home. One thing that is new there is that you can actually enter contests to win $25 a day every single day, but of course you're going to have to take surveys and do tasks to get those tokens to enter to win $25 a day. And also they give away $100 a week from Feature Points. So if you haven't signed up with Feature Points, it's open worldwide. Make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up with Feature Points today, so that you can jumpstart some of your online earnings. Along with that, another way to make some extra cash is with Savvy Connect. They have a VIP program. So this program is going to enable you to be able to make $15 a month, up to, depending upon how many devices you install that application on. So if you install it on your phone, computer, and tablet, that's $15 a month. If it's just your phone, for example, that's $5 a month. So it's just going to run in the background, and you're going to have to continue to use your phone like you normally would, because if you don't, after 60 days, they're going to automatically opt you out. So if you want to keep making money, make sure your device is up to date, the app is up to date, and you actually use it. You can make up to $180 extra cash a year just to do this from home. So these are just some of the companies that are hiring. Of course, I have more on the weekly job section. Also, like I said, there will be some posted on our Facebook group. And if you want to learn how you can make about $200 from smartphone apps, I'll leave a link to a post I wrote on my official website where you can check out some of those apps and earn some extra cash on the go. Now, if you have not taken the course, How to Get a Work at Home Job or Gig in 30 Days or Less, I highly recommend that you do so. They're still enrolling students to take this course. A lot of people have had success with it. It seems to be a very popular course, and it's been able to help people to increase their chances of actually getting a work at home job. There are a lot of guides and tutorials and a 3.5-hour video with an instructor that will assist you along the way and give you a lot of helpful information so that you can get a work at home job faster. So if that's your desire or goal, make sure you check out the course. The link will be right below this video. Thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. Hopefully you all had some good news and you've been able to at least get an interview or hear back, possibly get a work at home job. If not, don't give up, don't get discouraged. I will continue to look for jobs and provide them for you on this channel so that you can have access to additional companies hiring. And spring is here now, and so there'll be more and more companies looking for remote workers. So don't give up. Just continue to stay tuned to this channel, and I will provide you with those resources to help you. And don't forget to join Inbox Dollars for $5 off the bat just to give it a try. And this is an app that you can use on your phone on the go, and you can earn money to complete offers, to find deals on Groupon, all different kinds of things. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me those below, and enjoy your weekend, and make sure you check out for my next video.